guys, so today I am going to tell you all how to make easy bookmarks. So these are the materials which is needed for the first one. So these are the materials which is needed. First you need any plastic cover, any of them will do. Then you need a spray bottle with some water in it. Then you need some sketch pens, any sketch pens you like. And we will be needing a piece of paper. So first this paper, I will cut it into rectangular sheets for me to do this first bookmark. So over here I've got my rectangular paper which I cut out. So then we need some plastic, a plastic paper. So these three are the main things we need right now. Plastic, some spray, water and sketch pens. So first we'll start, you can choose any color but I like these 4 colors. I actually like these 3 colors. These are the main 3 colors. So then these are the main colors which I'm going to use. You don't need the paper right now. But then if you want how much of sketch pen you'll be needing. So you just need to put some sketch pen on the plastic any way you like actually. So we'll be doing part by part. So this will be the first part of it. Once doing this, we have this messy little thing over here on the plastic. We need to take a spray and spray water on it. And then as this thing becomes liquidy, it merges together to form a beautiful pattern. Then you need to put the paper exactly above where the sketch pen was. Okay, and then there will be a small design type thing over here. You need to let it stay for some time. And this is the final result. It has combination of dark blue, purple and light blue. Okay, so then over here this is the first part of our sketch pen bookmark done. Now we need to be doing the second part. You'll be needing to wipe off the sketch pen and water over here. Now we'll be doing the same ones, dark blue, light blue and purple. And again you can do it any direction you want. So I'll be doing purple like that. And then blue like that. I'll be doing light blue first. I've got that like that. And then now I will be doing blue over here as well as over here. So then we've got 2 places where blue is. Now we're again going to be needing the spray. We need to be spraying water as the before steps I told you. Now this is how it has been done till now. Now over here you have already done this part. So we need to take the part which is like not yet covered till now. So that should be probably over here. Take it down. Don't like put the part which is already painted to the ground, like to the plastic. And then we let it stay on there for some time. Now that's the next part done. Now the same way you need to repeat it again and again. Now I'll meet you once I finish doing this. So this is the final result I got. And on this you can write anything you want. For this you'll even be needing a pen. I'm using this high-tech point pen. So then over here on this I would be writing that books or my family. So I'll write that over here. It's a little delicate, so we'll need to be really careful about that. I'm going to let that there and I'm going to make a heart over here. And over here I'm going to add few clouds. So I drew 2 clouds. I'll just finish the whole bookmark by adding another cloud. So there, my whole bookmark is ready. now I'm going to tell you the second bookmark which we're going to try out. For this bookmark which I'm going to make right now, we need to have any one colored paper. So what I'm going to choose is that I'm going to choose this blue color and this pink, and we need to choose 4 colors. The first color is blue, then it is pink that I'm going to use, and then I'm going to use green, and I'm going to use this color. I've actually changed my mind for the colors, so I'd be using green and yellow. First we'll be needing to cut all of these 4 sheets of paper in a really smooth line. So then we don't need the whole paper, we just need a rectangular portion of it. So I'll cut it and come to you all guys. So I've got the line over here. Now I'm going to make the lines in each and single paper. So over here I've got all of my 4 strips, blue, green, yellow and pink. So in this you'll even be needing a glue stick. So I'm going to tell you the way first we're supposed to be arranging these things. So first I'm going to arrange these two like this. And then I need to be applying glue to this end over here. So to one end you need to put the pink one, the pink line. And to the other one you need to put the blue one. Just like this. So that's the perfect line which you get. Okay, so then now we're going to start doing this. So once over here we start this. So first we start with this one. We start by taking this yellow one, and over here from this side we curve it like this, just like that, and take this straight away so that it will meet the others too. Then just like that we have got that straight. Now this should be, the yellow one should be the shortest of them all. So then that says that it is the perfect one. Then you take the pink one over here. You again need to fold it like this. 1 minute, my glue is not stuck properly, so I'll add a little more glue over here. Just like that. I've got that too done. Now I need to stick this firm. Then I need to be taking this pink one and I need to be twisting it like this so that it would be near to the green line. Just like that. So then we've already got a pattern over here, as you can see. So then now we would be turning it like this so that it will be more comfortable. Then we take this green one over here to change it like this. Like this, just like that. Now we need to be taking the blue one over here from here to make it proper. So then as you can see, there's already a pattern over here which is being formed. So then once you do this, we need to be taking this pink one. And we need to be continuing the steps. And then now we need to take the yellow one. Once you take this, you need the blue one. Now the green one. Now the yellow one. And the pink one. Now I'll finish this and come to you guys. I've done finishing it. Now I'll show you what to do with the end part once you've done it. So then once you get it like this, you need to be sticking first. Over here, first you'll need to be sticking this thing to this one. The sticking part is a little bit confusing. You need to stick that there so that it can stick properly, and you need to stick over here this one to this one. So now that portion is stuck. Another portion is stuck. You need to be cutting off the extra portion down here. Just like this. Now you've got that done. Now you need to be again sticking this part, the part which is not yet stuck, over here. You need to be sticking. So these two are the bookmarks which are done till now. Now in the next one we'll be needing paint. So I'm gonna again be cutting this whole thing into a triangle, like into a rectangle about that thick. I've cut the paper now. Now we would obviously be needing brushes as we are going to do some painting. We'll even be needing water of course. So first we'll start with removing colors. So the colors we need is Persian blue, 351 number, and then we'll be needing cobalt blue, which is 056 number, and we would be needing white, poster white, which is 348 number. So these are the three colors we would be needing, and we'll be needing to use very little water, just a bit, just for the sake of removing the colors. So first we're going to start with Prussian blue. We need this concentrated, so we don't need much of water as it already has a water content in it. So first we start with painting the upper portion with Prussian blue. It needs to be concentrated. We can do it as far as you all want. We'll be using a bit of water. So once you're done painting, if there's extra portion left, you can surely cut it separately. Okay? So as over here, it's like this. We just want the paint to be filling the whole place, and then you add little water at the end so that it will merge properly. So once you're done with this, we can close the Prussian blue. Now we'll be needing a bit of cobalt blue. There's already a lot of water content in mine. And now I'll be adding blue, cobalt blue, at the end of Prussian blue. And you can make cobalt blue easily. You can mix white and Prussian blue, then that will become cobalt blue. Now that is done, you just need to end it up with a little bit of water and try to merge in this a bit, and afterwards you'll even be needing a sponge. So then once you're done with this, remove the color fully because we'll be needing white. So we'll be closing cobalt blue. Now we will be needing poster white. Now over here at the end we need to add a lot of white, and then once you're done doing a bit, you need to take the sponge and we're going to merge in the colors. Just like that, we'll be merging in the colors. We'll be needing a little bit of more white. take some water and merge it well. Just like that. Now you've got a perfect sky over here. Now all we need to do is I will need to be taking a little bit more of water, and the places in which the paint hasn't merged properly, you'll need to be merging those places. I don't need to merge anymore because my all the places are merged in properly. Now that is done. Now we have finished doing our next bookmark. I don't need this much of place, so I'll be cutting that. So I have this left. So now as I have this much left, I'll leave it to dry. It's gotten dried. So then now we would be adding some stars to it. For this you would be needing a 00 brush. And we'll be needing white so that we'll be able to paint stars. I'll be drawing normal stars like this. I'll not be drawing like triangles, I'll be drawing like this, wait. Like this. And these are the stars. This is the first star which is finished. Now I'm going to make more stars over here. And in the center, I'm going to write magic right now. I'll write magic over here. I finished writing magic, and then over here I'll make more stars so that it will look more familiar. And then down below I'll be making a big star over here. Done. That's the last bookmark, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share too. And hopefully you would learn something new today.